Hello everyone. I will tell you about the Reconciliation Center and how it works in this video. It's a new tool that helps to reconcile transactions between payment processors and providers. The Reconciliation Center works independently of any particular payment processor, and we can connect it to any processor that can implement our transaction synchronization protocol. It's currently linked and supports the platform's current version. You can use it now to reconcile transactions in the platform's database. Transactions from providers are synchronized by uploading files. In the future, we plan to add more ways to import data for reconciliation, such as via API integration, FTP server, or email. However, for now, the only way to upload files is manual. We support CSV, XLS, and XLSX file formats up to 150 megabytes in size. When using the Reconciliation Center, you can choose an import scheme to determine which data is imported from which column in the table. These import schemes are customizable and can be configured without a developer. The user interface for this feature will be included in future versions of the Reconciliation Center. On this screen, you can monitor the progress of the import processing. Various types of information are visible, including the number of transactions successfully imported, the number of duplicates, the number of transactions that could not be imported, and the number currently being imported. Here you can view all of the transactions that have been imported, as well as statistics regarding the import and transaction types. From this view, all transactions in this specific import are incoming payments. You can also see basic information regarding the import, such as the initiation and completion times of the data import, the provider's name, the person who created the import, the name of the import scheme, and the ability to download the file. The Reconciliation Center performs reconciliation on a transaction-by-transaction basis, and on this screen, you can see a list of all transactions that have been reconciled. You can filter the list on an adjacent screen only to show conflicts. When we look at the reconciliation details, we can see the attributes used for reconciling. Each attribute is marked as matching or not matching. If it doesn't match, we can see specific details. On the left panel, we can see the reconciled transactions and their attributes, as well as the imported statements. There are two options to resolve conflicts: choose one of the sides or ignore it. If you select one of the parties, the conflict status will change to resolved. If you ignore the conflict, this transaction won't be reconciled in the future. I explained how the Reconciliation Center reconciles transactions between payment processors and providers in this video. It's a new tool that supports CSV, XLS, and XLSX file formats and offers one-sided and two-sided reconciliations. You can choose one of the parties to resolve conflicts or ignore the conflict. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
Simplify your payments, amplify your business. Corfi